Hey fellows, Jir here, and in this video, I have something to share that I know that could help you out growing your social media channels. It's an AI app that allows you to automate your content creation and content publishing. This is a huge time saver, especially creating content and publishing the content in different social media account. Okay, this is gonna help you guys out automate without you the need to go back and forth in different social media account just to publish your content. Okay, as you can see, I'm inside of the dashboard of this software. Now in a few moments I'll be showing you guys how the software works and how you can take advantage of this AI app to grow your channels or social media account. But first, let me show you my bonuses. If you decide to pick this up, share the link down in the description of this video. My first bonus is my first ever product on Warrior Plus, which is video vertical. This is going to help you create pro quality short and vertical videos. And the next one is done for you video content that will help you out get tons and tons of free traffic into your social media account. Okay, so these are composed of 30,000 done for you video viral video vertical content. And I also have other bonuses right here. Now I'm not gonna explain too much all of my bonuses because it will take us a lot of time, but you can learn all of these bonuses by visiting my bonus page. You also gonna get access, guys, to this premium bonuses right here that the creator of this product allowed me to give away. The first one, guys, is AI Singer. So this is an AI app that allows you to convert your text into song. The next one is AI Store Pack. With this, you can instantly create and publish unlimited digital and physical product stores. So this is like an online store that you can create with this app. And then the next one is the Signal. Now this is a Canva-like graphics platform. You can create graphics with this app as well. And then the next one is HQ Sites. So with this, this is a futuristic AI app that allows you to create high quality website in just seconds. The next one is Webinar Studio. So you can tap into the power of video conference, meeting, and video hosting. And then the last one is Wave AI. So this is a 50-in-1 software that allows you to create content. This allows you to create graphics, and this allows you to create images. Okay, so those are the premium bonuses. Now let's go back to the software. Now the way this AI app works, it's really simple. First is that you're gonna need to connect your account or social media channels. Next one is to create your content. If you don't have any content, you can use AI to create content and publish and schedule that content. You can also discover content inside of this app, and then you can automate your content. Now another cool thing about this, guys, is that you can create multiple brands inside of your account. Okay, so let's say for example you sell different product, then you can create different brand for your products. Okay, so I have listed different brand right here. Like say for example this one, this one, this one, this one. I have multiple brands inside of my account right here. Okay, and then the next step is that you're gonna need to connect your social media account. You can connect your Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Instagram, Google My Business, Twitter or X, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Okay, you can also connect your e-commerce website like Shopify, WooCommerce. If you sell product on Etsy, this is gonna help you guys out a lot. And then Magento. So this is gonna help you as well publish or list your product automatically without going back and forth into this e-commerce platform. Okay, you can also connect your video, like for example YouTube, Vimeo, Mobio, and Daily Motion. You can also connect your blogging platform like Blogger, WordPress, Medium, Reddit, and Tumblr. Okay, now the next step is that you're gonna need to generate your content. You can click on compose to compose a content. Right, you can choose a type, let's say hashtag generator or carousel post, caption generator. So you have different type right here that you can choose. So for example, a hashtag generator, and then for example travel. Okay, you can put in different content, let's say weight loss or make money. You can put in whatever content that you want, and then the creativity, you can use highly creative, and then you can choose the language right here, and then the tone of voice, you can be professional, childish, and then friendly. You can choose whatever you want. So that's basically how you can publish a content. There are also a library of images that you can include in your content. So basically you can add in that image right here inside of your content. There's also videos that you can also use. So these are done for your videos. You can search a specific keyword, let's say money. Now there will be videos right here related to money that you can use. So for example, this one, so you can automatically add that into your content. And then gifts, so there are also tons of video gifts or gifts that you can use. For example, this one, so you can also add that into your content. And then there's also quotes. Okay, so you can choose one of these quotes and automatically add this into your content. So for example, this one, then you can just basically click on next step to select a platform where you want to publish your content. So for example, Twitter, LinkedIn, right? You can add in more accounts right here. For example, Facebook. All right, so you can choose Facebook. So for example, this Facebook right here, then click on next, and then you can customize your post right here. You can click on Facebook to customize that Facebook post right here. Okay, so this is the preview of that post. Okay, and then you just basically click on next, and then you just need to publish this post. You can publish this now, or you can schedule this for later. You can also save this into draft. Right, so that's basically how you can automate and publish your content using Viral Dashboard. Okay, right. There's also the social calendar, which allows you to monitor your content publishing, or your scheduled content. So for example, in this month, which is October, so these are the content that is scheduled in this month. You can publish content ahead of time. So for example, September, and you wanted to publish content for October, then you can do that right here. Okay, there's also this content template. So if you're not sure, you don't know how to create content, so there are template right here that you can use. Okay, there's also automation. There's also content discovery. So just like I said a while ago, you can discover content inside of this platforms. So for example, your niche is SEO, or whatever niche that you have. It can be dog training, or affiliate marketing, or make money online. So you can discover content inside of this platform. Okay, and then there's also monitoring and analytics. So you can you can monitor your analytics inside of your account, and then agency, and then settings. Okay, so those are the things that you can expect inside of Viral Dashboard. Again, if you wanted to check it out, now keep in mind guys that there are some upsell. You can learn those upsell by visiting my bonus page down in the description of this video. And yeah, and again, if you decide to pick this up, to the link down in the description of this video. All of my bonuses guys are waiting for you inside of your account after your purchase of Viral Dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.